Here's the new drive shaft for the 14-foot gyro mower. Well, we'll say one of two anyway. Bad luck continues. I don't know. There's nothing here that bolts up, and he's got the grease fitting on the side that the bolt goes in, so I had to pull the grease fitting out to be able to get the wrench in there. I don't know. I just, quality control in this world today is just unreal. But anyway, I'll bring you guys along for a little bit up. We're gonna get this bolted up here. I dropped the other one off this morning, and we'll see what they say on it. So it's one more step in the right direction. Well, there it is, step closer. I'm gonna wait till I get the front one done and break that or loosen that slip clutch up. I'm not gonna mess with it right now, let it rust back up. So one down, one to go. Well, on to the next project. There it is. We got the plow tail wheel piece in. That's a conglomeration right there. I had no idea it was going to be that big. Let me get set up here. We'll bolt this on. I'll tell you a little bit more about it, where I got it from, who turned me on to it, and the surprise I got. What happens when you don't have the right tools? Try to use a dodo wrench on something. Bolts are 1 5/16", and I don't have anything that big other than this Chinese 3/4 set. Okay, I haven't been talking too much in this. I'm trying to get you a little bit more working and talking. But real quick on the tail wheel piece here, Mr. Tim Flegel put me on a gentleman, Jaeckel Brothers, I believe is how you pronounce it, in Wisconsin, Jaeckel Brothers Incorporated. Massive farm equipment junkyard. Tim's got a few videos where he's been there and he's taped and filmed a few things. I'll try to link those in the description. Tim gave me the information, called the guy, super nice gentleman, I believe his name's Jim. You just don't find people like that anymore. We talked it over, you know, discussed price, payment, availability. He basically shipped me a part, sight unseen to me, doesn't know me from Adam, free of charge, as far as I didn't pay for it ahead of time. He said, when you get it and it's right, you know, send me a check back, which I have. But I failed to realize just exactly how big this piece was and how heavy it was, and how much it would cost to ship from Wisconsin to North Carolina. But it's here, and we just got it bolted up. I'm gonna tighten these bolts up. I'll give you guys a little rundown right quick on how things, I don't think I can get the tail wheel on it, but I'll show you a little bit more about the design of it. There's Jack, can't leave him out of it. He's been upset that I haven't had the camera on lately, but I've been steady at it, guys, just, you know, here or there, doing a few miscellaneous things. So I'll bring you guys along for a little bit of it today. Nothing major is happening, but we're just trying to peck along what we can, so stay tuned. Let's see how much difference this one is than the GoPro, just on normal filming. There's the tail wheel piece, got it bolted up, showed you that. Got the pin in it. Let's see, fingering the screen down here, there's a piece that's broke off that goes in here, and then it attaches there to the front bar, and then the other side of that, of course, attaches to the back. So a little bit more fabrication, but we're getting there. Well, this is I expected. Pretty bad. Heartbreaking, really. Really starting to get a bunch of weeds and stuff down here now, especially over here where the local agency did all their work. It's about all that's growing in here. Oh well, we're gonna get there. Go over here and see how much water's in the low spot. Now you can't even really tell, there's some. Wow. So we've got a lot of rain this morning. I wish I could have got down here and chisel plowed this before all the rain came in, at least to, oh, here's another hole, to break up all the, where I packed all that in last year. It's not too bad, it's holding a little water out there, to be expected. Alright, just a little ride. Okay, well, it's a brand new day. Gonna get this old rust bucket hauled down the road today. Unfortunately, we're not going to be able to do it with a new service truck. My buddy's on his way with his truck. I'll explain a little bit of that here in a little while. I'll try to get some footage of it like I wanted to, but you know how it is, he doesn't like to be on camera, so we'll see what we can do. Well, stupid me ran off and forgot the camera, so didn't get any video of it. I got one picture sitting on the trailer right before they unloaded it, but she's gone. Okay, everybody, we're going to wrap this one up, call it a video. Wasn't a whole lot on here, just what's been going on here at the farm over the last few days. Some repair work on a few things. Got some parts and pieces in. We did get the B414 PTO shaft fixed. My buddy's down there bush hogging with it right now. Had Oliver out bush hogging yesterday. Took the truck this morning, didn't take the service truck with it, my service truck, mainly because I think I got a wheel bearing going out. Hate that, but didn't want to chance it. We put about 450 miles on it so far. Everything else is going good, but you know, some things are just going to show themselves. As rusty as that thing was, I imagine that bearing's in bad shape. But anyway, still trudging along. We're going to hang in there. We're still doing everything we can. I feel a lot better. Taking a little bit of a break. I'm not going to say that things are going to get back to normal, but you know, wanted to give you guys an update on what was going on. Thank you, everybody, for being here, for continuing to follow along, and all the awesome comments you left on the last video when I said I was taking a break. Told you it's going to be temporary, and it's going to be. Just got to kind of get back in the groove of things, and once we get back to actually making forward progress here, and not so much of this repair work, you know, non-stop, then we'll definitely turn the camera back on. So thought I'd bring you along for a little bit of it, a little bit different video format. If you notice any difference, you know, let me know. Drop it down in the comment. If you don't like it, whatever else, let me know that too. But thank you all for continuing to be here and following along with me. We're going to get back to where we need to be very soon. Until next time, thank you.